Okay, so we're right at lesson 3, part of Lab 21 PKI Management with Windows. And we're going to start with issuing a certificate from the certificate authority. So while you're on the Cert Serve window, right-click on the NetLab WinOS-CA and select Properties. Click on this, right-click, select Properties. In the newly opened Properties window, click the Policy Module tab, then the Properties button. Click to check the radio button for following the settings in the certificate option, then click OK to confirm. You typically don't want the certificate authority to automatically issue the certificate, but for the purpose of this lab, we will enable this function. When prompted to restart the computer, click OK and then OK again. And then restart the Windows machine. And when prompted to choose a reason, click Continue. As we sit and wait till it restarts, we're going to be taking a look at lesson 3.2, Install Internet Information Service, IIS, and request a certificate. Okay, now since it's restarted, we got to log back in. Select Control-Delete and make sure type in the correct password by going back to our lab settings page. On page 5, type in the password, should be ndg lab pass 123 exclamation mark and hit enter. Oops. To where we left off at. Alright, so in the Server Manager window, we're going to click Add Roles and Features. So Server Manager window is on the left right-hand corner with the tower and the toolbox icon. Tools is on the right, Add Roles and Features is here in the middle menu option. And we're going to select that. Notice the Add Roles and Features wizard appears. On the installation type step, keep the default setting role-based or feature-based installation, which is this first one here. It's already checked off, and then we're just going to select Next. On the server selection step, select the WinOS NetLab local server from the pool, and then click Next, which is here. And then hit Next. Now from here, on the server roles step, check the box for Web Server IIS, which is this one here. It's on the bottom of the list of the roles. Everything's alphabetical order, so it's the first listed under W. And then we're just going to add this feature. Back on the main wizard window, ensure that web server IIS is checked and then hit next. And then we're going to hit next because we're keeping all of this as default. On the web server IIS step, review the information and click next. Web servers are computers that let you share information over the internet or through intranets and extranets. The web server role includes Internet Information Services IIS 10.0 with enhanced security, diagnostic, and administration, a unified web platform that integrates IIS 10.0, ASP.NET, and Windows Communication Foundation. The default installation for the web server IIS role includes installation of role services that enable you to serve static content, make minor customizations such as default documents and HTTP errors, monitor and log server actively, and configure static content compression. We're just going to hit next. And then on the role services step, ensure web server is checked and click next, which it is. And then on the confirmation step, click install to finish the installation of the web server. We're going to wait till down here at the bottom it says that the installation is completed. This may take a little while. Alright, installation succeeded with WinOS.NetLab.local. We're going to click on close. And then click in the search icon in the taskbar and type IIS. That would be here, this little spyglass. We're going to click on that and we're going to type in IIS. And then you're going to see Internet Information Services IIS Manager pop up. We're going to click that to open it. And then the Internet Information Service IIS Manager window, click the WinOS in the left pane, then double-click to open the server certificate. So we're clicking on this, which will bring up another menu option, and we're looking for server certificate, which is here. For me, it's in the third row, first one in the list. You will see that there is a personal certificate. We will ignore it. Let's click the Create Domain. That would be this one here, Create Domain Certificate. Now we're going to type in information exactly how you see in the content, which is winos.netlab.local. Hit tab, XYZ security, marketing, Austin, Texas. Keep that as US, and then we're going to hit next. Just want to make sure I double check everything that I typed out is correct before I hit that next. Then fill in the information as shown below. So specify online certification authority is going to be netlab-winos WINOS, and then the friendly name is web_CA, all capitals. We're going to select finish. Notice the certificate with a web_CA as its name. Now you have your certificate issued for the WinOS server. Now we're going to switch back to the Server Manager window and click on Tools and select Certification Authority. In the new window, click the NetLab WinOS CA and then double-click to open the Issued Certificates folder. So we're going to select this on the left menu option, and then Issued Certificates. We're going to double-click that folder open. When it opens, scroll the horizontal bar to the right side to check the information on the certificate. You'll see it was issued to XYZ Security, Marketing, etc. You can double click on the certificate to check the details. So here we can see requester name, binary certificate, certificate template. Here's the serial number. We also have the expiration date, which will be 11/22, when it's issued, the organization it's issued to, the operation unit, the issued common name, city, state. The lab is now complete and you may end the reservation. Thanks again for joining me for another walkthrough, and I hope to see you again in the future.